This episode of Android Authority is brought to you by the LG G3. Hey, what is going on, guys? Lon here from Android Authority, and LG's new slogan for the G3 is "Simple is the new smart," and for good reason, because the G3 comes packed with a lot of new features that LG likes to call smart features. So today we're going to be taking a look at some of them and how they all work. Alright, so let's get right into it, starting off with Smart Notice, and it's sort of like Google Now in a way, but it's actually a widget that lives on your home screen, and over time it'll learn your usage and habits and make recommendations or give you information that it thinks might be important to you. So it can suggest things like new contacts that you should add to your phone if it sees a number that you interact with a lot, but you've yet to save that particular number. It can also give you reminders to call people back if you've had any missed calls, birthday notifications, low battery info, tips on how to use your phone, exercise updates, and weather suggestions like bringing an umbrella if it's going to rain. Feature number 2 is the all-new Smart Keyboard, and what makes this keyboard so smart is 1, it's resizable, which you don't really see on many keyboards, and 2, correcting a typo is as easy as swiping left to right on the spacebar to get the cursor exactly where you want it to be, so no more having to constantly tap on a word and hoping the cursor eventually lands in the right spot. And the third reason why this keyboard is considered a smart keyboard is that it learns from your typing habits, words you use most commonly, and makes the appropriate adjustments. What makes the LG keyboard different though is that it also observes the way you hit keys, so if it sees that you constantly hit the wrong letter on a particular word that you type a lot, it will make an adjustment for that. You won't actually notice the adjustment happen, but you'll eventually see that you're no longer making the same typo, even if you're still hitting the wrong key. Next up is Smart Cleaning, and typically with most Android phones you have to download a third-party cleaning application, but with the LG G3 it's built directly into the settings. And with Smart Cleaning, it'll get rid of any temporary or downloaded files you have on your phone. It'll also detect any applications that you haven't used in a long time, and you can go through and uninstall them all at once. So it's very quick and easy, a lot faster than individually uninstalling each app one by one. You can also set a notification to remind you to clean your phone periodically so you never forget, and it's great for keeping your phone nice and clean of any junk files that not only take up space but potentially slow your phone down over time. Feature number 4 is Smart Screen, and this one is relatively straightforward. If you ever get annoyed that the screen dims or times out when you're in the middle of reading something, Smart Screen is a feature that will remedy that. So even if your phone has hit the screen timeout period, as long as your G3 detects that you're still looking at the screen, it'll keep the screen illuminated so you never have to deal with the screen dimming or timing out at times when you don't want it to. And last but not least, we have Smart Security. With our smartphones carrying so much of our personal data, security is becoming more and more important. So with Smart Security, you have a content lock, and this basically allows you to set a password or pattern to lock away any images in your gallery that you don't want anyone to see. So if someone was snooping through your phone, they wouldn't be able to see these files unless they knew what your lock pattern or password was. Once you've designated your lock, you just go into your gallery and select the files you want locked away, and they will not be visible to anyone but yourself. But there you have it for the smart features on the LG G3. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to the channel, which is also down below. And once you're done doing all of that, make sure to check out the website at androidauthority.com. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep it locked on Android Authority, because we are your source for all things Android.